Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can adjust the blur effects on your iPhone wallpaper or do any effect on your wallpaper. What you need to do is just go to settings, and after going to the settings you need to swipe up, and there's an option of wallpaper just like this. That's a wallpaper app, or you just need to tap on it, and if you open it up, you see that there is a current wallpaper, and here the customize option. There are two customize options. The first one is the home screen, and the another one is actually the menu, where your all apps are into it. Just tap on the customize, and now you see that there are some options here in the top, in the bottom, and where you can adjust your color gradient, and you can put any of your photo. If we adjust the gradient, you can see that we can adjust any of the gradient by selecting the color, and here we can select the color or change the color of it as well, and we can simply just do the blur effect. Okay, so here you see that if I do the select the pair one, and then select the blur effect, it will automatically do the image blurry and show you the menu card like this. Okay, so I'll show you how is it. If you see the menu, it's actually the blurry image on the back side, and on the home screen there's, you see that there is an original image, clear image. So you see that the image goes blurry. I will redo the thing to show you the impact, and now I'm just unblurring this and showing you how it will look like. You see the image is now restored. So that's how you can actually adjust the effect or blurry effect on your iPhone wallpaper. I hope this video helped out in figuring out how you can adjust your wallpaper on the menu, and it sorted your problem. Bye bye.